It's great to see so many companies get inspired to start with 3D printing. They benefit from the technology right from the start, and from there it will only get more and better. We are a 3D printing expertise agency and offer knowledge and practical support to companies who can benefit from 3D printing. Here in our office in Barcelona, we have engineers to design parts and over 60 Ultimaker printers for prototyping and batch production.
We believe that every company that handles physical products can and should benefit from 3D printing. Original parts often take a long time to be delivered. However, you can have 3D printed parts often the next day or even the same day. This helps with uptime, but also enables you to iterate faster to an optimal design, so you save time, money and get better parts. But the technology is still relatively new. There are two challenges to overcome. You need a design and you need to be able to print properly. That's where our experts can help. Together with our clients, we identify 3D printing opportunities. We can design and print the part from them, but we can also help them to start with designing and 3D printing themselves.
Our customers come from a broad range of industries with very different needs, applications and technical requirements. This is why Ultimaker's open filament system is so important to us. Being able to print a strong, but also flexible, heat-resistant or ESD-safe material is crucial to find solutions for any challenge. We have created parts for the automotive industry like tools, jigs and fixtures, but also prototypes and machine parts for food and beverage, medical support parts and defense. These customers often have very specific material requirements. For example, many parts we create for the food and beverage industry are printed using FDA-certified filaments. Being able to use such a wide array of materials really is a game changer for us.
There are many great 3D printers out there, but the support and reliability of Ultimaker is key to us. With over 60 printers continuously printing, uptime is essential. However, Ultimaker doesn't only offer printers, but a whole ecosystem for 3D printing. Their Cura slicing software is fast and easy to use. You can quickly install material profiles, so you don't need to enter and tweak settings when you're printing with a new material. This saves us a lot of time when we are printing with very specific materials. An extension of Cura is Digital Factory. We use it to easily manage all of our printers over the network. It enables us to send print jobs to the right printer and queue them when the printers are busy. We can see what's going on each printer and get notified when the printers need maintenance. This way, you can plan ahead and prevent downtime. Some of our customers have also started using Digital Factory to manage printers over multiple locations. Their centralized 3D printing team has a total view of all the printers, activities, and maintenance statuses. We can also use Digital Factory to offer support from our facility.
Ultimaker's ecosystem has proven to be versatile and reliable. This is why we've added the new Ultimaker Factor 4 to our print fleet. The machine feels way more industrial. It really is designed for the factory floor. The build chamber has temperature control and it comes with a completely redesigned print head. Thanks to the direct drive, the Factor 4 can print even softer and more flexible materials. This is important to us because it enables us to create different tools and parts that require even more grip or flexibility. The increased temperatures in the print core also enables us to print with stronger materials such as PPSCF. The final parts will last much longer and are temperature resistant to even higher temperatures. There are many applications that couldn't be printed before. Now, we can simply print them at a fraction of the cost and time. Ultimaker has been a very reliable partner in the process, giving us the tools and software we need. The Factor 4 is a big step up and already enables us with many more possibilities. Knowing Ultimaker, we can wait for the future updates and new features.